Welcome to the fascinating world of wood processing. From raw logs fresh out of the forest to perfectly crafted wooden products, these incredible machines handle every stage with precision and power. Today, we'll watch giant logs being shaved, split, peeled, debarked, and cut with stunning speed. You'll see high-speed sawmills, powerful splitters, and even machines that create wooden screws. So sit back and enjoy this amazing transformation of nature's raw material into useful products. Schwood machine, log shaving and milling. The journey begins with the Schwood machine. Raw logs can't be used as they are. They must first be shaved and shaped. The Schwood machine handles logs up to 20 feet long and 1.25 feet wide. Its cylinder spins at a powerful 950 RPM, while the milling spindles rotate at 300 RPM, ensuring precise cuts. Thanks to its hydraulic drive system, fresh logs are easily loaded, and processed logs are smoothly removed. This machine turns raw wood into usable material with speed and accuracy far beyond manual labor. Next up is the Bell's Machining Super Splitter. With an incredible 76 tons of splitting force, it slices through logs up to 9.5 feet long and 42 inches wide with ease. Its four-way wedge makes splitting fast and efficient. The entire process can be controlled wirelessly, allowing a single operator to load, split, and unload logs effortlessly. For smaller diameter logs, the spindleless veneer peeling line by Funner is perfect. It processes thin logs and cores from traditional peeling lines with high recovery rates. Even with its compact design, it offers advanced automation, accurate veneer thickness, and high production output. Waste material is automatically collected through a funnel and clipping gate, keeping the workspace clean and efficient. Now meet the Clearman HD 852 Debarca, built for the toughest debarking tasks. Its heavy-duty design includes cast alloy steel wheels and a 75 horsepower motor, which removes bark without damaging the valuable wood underneath. It can handle logs from 8 inches up to 52 inches in diameter. The operator works from a comfortable booth equipped with touchscreen controls, deluxe joystick armrests, and advanced monitoring systems. Maintenance is made simple with a remote greasing system. For cutting logs into precise sections, the Serra D Fida Dupla SFD 1500 band sawmill is unmatched. With its 1,500 hand wheels, it operates at high speeds while delivering precision cuts. This powerhouse can process an astonishing 100 meters of wood every minute, making it an essential tool for fast, large-scale operations. Next, we see the fascinating Brussa wooden screw machine. Instead of metal, this machine carefully carves threads into wooden rods, producing perfectly shaped wooden screws. Its precision allows it to create intricate designs even on very small pieces of wood. Brussa has mastered the art of crafting wooden fasteners with detail and quality. As oil and fuel costs rise, wood chips have become an important energy alternative. The Vermeer WC2300 XL Whole Tree Chipper produces high-quality wood chips efficiently. Its variable speed conveyor chains and smart crushing technology handle logs and branches smoothly. Worn-out parts are easy to replace, keeping maintenance simple while maintaining top performance. Pozos Leet Debarca. Easy and adjustable debarking. For a simpler debarking process, the Pozos Leet machine gets the job done smoothly. Logs are fed onto the adjustable conveyor, allowing operators to control surface quality easily. This machine processes logs up to 15 centimeters in diameter at 9 meters per minute. After debarking, the ejector fan automatically clears away the wood chips for easy collection. For larger logs, the Cambo 800 Debarca with CIM 750 in feed stands out. It handles logs up to 795 millimeters in diameter using a triangular feeding system and carbide debarking tools powered by compressed air. This combination delivers high-quality debarking performance with minimal maintenance, making it perfect for busy sawmills and log yards. Now let's enter the Meor VTZ fully automated sawmill factory. Here, advanced machines like double chipper canters and vertical band saws work together with precision scanners to optimize each cut. Their V4F edger can process up to 40 boards per minute, while the RS300 resaw line completes the final processing. This factory produces up to 500 cubic meters of lumber in just one 8-hour shift.